unsa mo wa ulo ba? Wala dia. Kung gusto ka ba tong Johnny, magyan mo ka.
Yeah, Johnny to ka doon.
Wala problem.
Then this guy can
Talk in Filipino, not in English.
This guy can tell Grandma si Johnny what he's been doing in YouTube. Because you're fucking asshole, man. Yeah?
You're in the Philippines.
Yes.
You're in the Philippines.
I have respect for the Filipino people. I have respect, and you know. But you don't attack us. Because you are Filipino, I am Italian people. I have many respect for the Filipino people. Every Filipino people.
That's only your story, man.
We confront you, Grandma, what you are doing in the YouTube. That's now we are here. Because it involves not only one person, it involves the
Because you
organization.
know why? A lot of wrong talk in YouTube.
Please do not do it again.
Never. I won't attack no one. But I must defend my grandmaster. Because if you attack my master, I must defend my master. Simple. Simple. I have so many respect, I repeat, for the Filipino people. I have so many respect for the Filipino people.
Not only the people, the culture.
The culture, everything.
Yeah, I've seen the culture. I like the culture. It's nice.
That is why I'm asking you where you are here. This is the style, the organization. You have to challenge any people who will dishonor our organization. That's why you dishonor us. You put us in the YouTube.
I defend my master because the other system attacked my master with the comments.
Very big problem.
Who plays the YouTube without the...
I want to resolve this.
The bad word in the talk, whatever talking about.
We don't care. What do you care if you...
Your master is a very bad
But if you be doing some bad things to the organization, we have been establishing this screamer system for throughout the years. And my father, maybe you know, is the one of the Intingaran, is the one of the grandmaster in it. Okay, so now you know. That is why we're very hard. When we have seen in the YouTube that we have been attacked and we have been bad comments.
The problem is this. Because when I was putting the video of my grandmaster, many comments from the separatists. Why? The question is why? Why this? No, yes. Because if you control
that is why we confront you.
Tomorrow, if you want to control, we can control under the video.
Because we are in the...
Because YouTube is
That is why we are here.
Ya, puro sa correction sa YouTube yang kita tangan dito, dogs of Grandmaster Johnny. These are dogs of Grandmaster Johnny. That one you put?
What to do?
Yeah.
And you also. The dog is here. The name of the dog is here. The name of the dog. The name of the dog. The name of the dog. Who?
The name of the dog. Hey, Narabi. Oh. Tolong. Tuh.
Yeah, so you know, one time I'm hungry, but now I'm finished. Yeah, because this was first. I am not Italian. Second, I have so many respect I repeat for you also. I'm not interested with the other guys. But sometimes also with you, I answer you in that way because before I don't know. I don't see. You stay in the house. I don't know. Master. But if you attack me, I will still no problem. No problem. But I am. For me it's okay. For me it's okay. The master.
Because actually over here is just like doing some training, sparring. It's normal.
Yes.
Okay?
How much?
Because I hope you guys you never misunderstood. You know why? Because you're the one writing everything. And it's
Ang nagtawag ko sa
because
police kay hospital.
For me, repeat.
you're talking with John Angeles, right? John
Kaya
Angeles.
ako bata sa hospital.
June na kaya.
Angeles.
Mura, sana.
In YouTube. But you put video, everything up there. You like 1 to 5 video with Grandma si Johnny.
The important is for me, first, repeat. But from us,
That's why
this is important. The piece is for
Yeah,
everybody,
yeah.
not for me and not for the other, for
I
everybody.
understand. That's why your grandma's here. The one, those story that been posted over there in YouTube is not true.
Yeah, this is the piece is important.
Yeah, but I want you to let you know, from me. I accepted his challenge before. Him and his son. Okay? Now, some of you guys, probably you're the one writing there that those talents, those talents is not been posted because Grandma si Johnny paid him.
Paid?
Yeah, paid.
Who?
Grandma si Johnny, I think you guys, I don't know if it's you. But I read it there, you know.
Ayun na, sige lang.
But
First, for me, the piece is important. Okay?
your name?
You're sa Italy.
Di magambog ni Jackie. Balik niya ka dito sa Italy, nangambog na sa gangawa. Huwag nanukol ni mo dito.
He's afraid that different to the Chinese.
Wala gapon, pwede ka sila. Pwede ka sila gawa.
Is Grandmaster Tonyeng?
No.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, boss.
Yes, I know.
Ano to si Ramon?
Dili, kaya ba sige agad na ako sa una. Ikaw ka nga.
Oo. Ako Grandmaster Ramon. Grandmaster Ramon.
Oh,
May kigduwa.
Maranga style. This Grandmaster Karin. Rojo. Nice to meet you.
this is the best for YouTube.
Ano ba? Toto sa bukid? You visit our jeep line.
Yes. Zip
Bay,
line.
ito jeep line ni siya, bay? Oo, busay. Imong busay. Ito mo. You visit our jeep line there. We have our jeep line. The Busay, we have our training center in the mountains.
In the mountains.
It's only 20 minutes from the city. What hotel you stay? What hotel? What hotel?
10 days. 10 days.
Where hotel?
Where?
Where hotel? What hotel?
No.
Hotel? No, in hotel. No.
In the house?
Our master,
Yeah.
Yeah. You visit our jeep line there. Just 20 minutes from downtown to the mountains. We go there. Visit there tomorrow.
Thank you, master. Sorry for the past.
No, me, I don't mind about but some people, I have to come back to this guy.
Bago na sa delikado ni Pareho ra ko tawag atong gawas ko gilat.
John, may naman story. Okay na.
Master. Master.
Picture sa picture.
Wala pictures. Can do a photo. Wala pictures.
Spettate. Only.